Hello everyone, this is Ankamita from CSITB. My topic is intermittent demand forecasting. Introduction to intermittent demand forecasting. Intermittent demand refers to irregular or unpredictable patterns in demand for a product or service. Traditional forecasting methods may not work well for intermittent demand due to its sporadic nature. Accurate forecasting of intermittent demand is crucial for effective inventory management and resources allocation. Demand forecasting methods: quantitative, qualitative. Predictive in quantitative, predictive analysis, constant analysis. In qualitative, client intent survey, Delphi technique. Challenges of forecasting intermittent demand. One of the main challenges is the lack of historical data points for accurate forecasting. Seasonality and external factors can further complicate forecasting for intermittent demand. Forecast errors can lead to stockouts or excess inventory, impacting overall supply chain efficiency. Forecasting methods: qualitative forecasting methods, quantitative forecasting methods. Qualitative forecasting methods: Delphi method, market research, panel consensus, visionary forecast, Salesforce comparison. Quantitative forecasting methods: time series models, associative models. In time series models, straight line method, moving average, exponential smoothing, trend projection. Associative models: simple linear regression, multiple linear regression. Importance of advanced analytics in intermittent demand forecasting. Advanced analytics techniques such as machine learning and artificial intelligence can help improve forecasting accuracy. These tools can analyze large data sets and identify patterns in intermittent demand that traditional methods may overlook. By leveraging advanced analytics, organizations can make more informed decisions and optimize inventory levels. Here, factors of demand forecasting. Statistical forecasting models for intermittent demand. Crosstown's method is commonly used for intermittent demand forecasting, focusing on the intermittency and non-zero demand occurrence. Another approach is the SBA method, which combines intermittent demand and seasonality into the forecasting model. These statistical models can provide more accurate forecasts for intermittent demand compared to traditional methods. Demand sensing and real-time forecasting. Demand sensing involves using real-time data and advanced analytics to improve forecasting accuracy. Real-time forecasting allows organizations to react quickly to changes in demand patterns and adjust inventory levels accordingly. By leveraging demand sensing and real-time forecasting, companies can enhance their supply chain agility and responsiveness. Mid-long term demand sensing summary of preventive solutions. Objective: support mid to long term planning with microeconomic based predictions. Method: leverage preveders, econometric engine modeling, leading indicators. Outcome: mid and long term prediction to drive integrated business planning. Collaborative forecasting and demand shaping strategies. Collaborative forecasting involves sharing info and insights with key stakeholders to improve forecast accuracy. Demand shaping strategies such as promotions and pricing tactics can influence customers' demand patterns. By collaborating with partners and implementing demand shaping initiatives. Organizations can better forecast intermittent demand. Inventory optimization techniques for intermittent demand. Inventory optimization tools can help organizations determine optimal stocking levels for product within intermittent demand. Safety stock and reorder point calculation are crucial for managing uncertainty in intermittent demand forecasting. By implementing inventory optimization techniques, companies can reduce holding costs and improve customer service levels. Forecasting performances metrics for intermittent demand. Forecast accuracy bias and tracking signal are key performance metrics for evaluating intermittent demand forecasting. Mean absolute percentage error is commonly used to measure forecast accuracy and identify areas for improvement. Monitoring forecasting performance metrics can help organizations assess the effectiveness of their forecasting strategies. Four types of performance metrics: business performance metrics, ROI, profitability, productivity; project management metrics, productivity, scope of work, quality and satisfaction, cost, gross margin; employee performance metrics, quality of work, quantity of work, efficiency, productivity; sales performance metrics, sales activities, lead generation, sales productivity. Case studies on intermittent demand forecasting. Case study 1. Company X implemented machine learning algorithms to forecast intermittent demand for spare parts, reducing stockouts by 20%. Case study 2. Company Y utilized demand sensing technology to improving forecasting accuracy for seasonal products with intermittent demand. These real-world examples demonstrate the benefits of advanced forecasting techniques for managing intermittent demand. Demand forecasting case study: an analytics solution towards demand forecasting in supply chain. Best practices for intermittent demand forecasting. Develop a collaborating forecasting process involving key stakeholders and partners. Leverage advanced analytics tools and techniques to improve forecast accuracy for intermittent demand. Continuously monitor forecasting performance metrics and adjust strategies based on feedback and insights. Conclusion: intermittent demand forecasting is a complex but crucial aspect of supply chain management. By leveraging advanced analytics, inventory optimization techniques, and collaborative forecasting, organizations can enhance their forecasting accuracy for intermittent demand. Continuous improvement and adaptation to changing demand patterns are essential for successful intermittent demand forecasting. Here, demand forecasting and inventory planning in omnichannel retail ready for the challenge. In an omnichannel world, customers are less willing to wait for out of stock products to be replenished, as they have instant access to pricing and product availability from your competitors. A planners with list. Make better demand forecast. Accurate, consistent demand forecasts are a key input to financial planning, assortment planning, allocation, replenishment, and store labor planning. Improve your inventory planning. Correctly dimensioning inventory across physical and digital channels is essential in today's complex supply chains if retailers are to reduce inventory costs to improve service levels. Continuous improvement and adaptation to changing demand patterns are essential for successful intermittent demand forecasting. These are the conclusion of the demand intermittent demand forecasting. Thank you everyone.